Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I came across a breakfast recipe that I want to try out. So the chef is back, so don't go nowhere. Wait, stay tuned to the end of this. Welcome back guys. So this is what I'm making today, breakfast. So I have tomato sliced, onion sliced, pepper, then green pea. Then I have milk. Then I have oats, sorry. I have milk. I'm sorry, I've mentioned that already. I have egg. Then I have salt. So let's get right into the business of the day. So right now I'm going to be pouring in my cocoa oats into a bowl. You can see that. So I will take another cup. So then I'll pour it in again. As you can see. And I'll break in my egg. So you don't need to mash the egg, just break the egg into the oats directly. So I'm using 4 eggs. So it depends on the oat that you're using. So you stir it together. Stir it together. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. Then you pour in the milk. Then here you go again. You stir properly. Just keep stirring. I don't know if you can see. Just keep stirring, keep stirring. So keep stirring. So now I think everything is all mixed together. So we are going to cover it up for 5 minutes. So cover it up for 5 minutes. We'll leave it for 5 minutes. Then 5 minutes we'll come back. Okay, guys. So let's open it up and see. So that's it. That's this after 5 minutes. So now we are going to be adding. We are going to be adding the onions, the pepper, the green pea, and the tomatoes all together. So we are going to add everything together and mix it up. So mix everything together. So we had a little salt to taste. Just a little to taste. Then we'll mix it up. So we're done mixing up right now. So we'll go to the next step. So this is the next step. So we had a little bit of oil in the fry pan. Just a little. So since I don't have this brush that I can use, I'll be using my hand. Just to rub all over the fry pan. Make sure before you do this, make sure your hands are clean. Make sure you wash your hands. So we are done rubbing. So we are going to turn our mixture into the fry pan. So that's it. So you spread it out. Cook on low heat. Then you have to cover it up. Cook on low heat for 5 to 10 minutes. So here we go. So we're going to hold on for 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure it's on low heat. So let's see. This is after 10 minutes. Ooh, hula. So right now, I will need to turn it. I will need to turn it the other way around, so that this other side can cook as well. So guys, I've turned it. So can you see that? So cover it up again for it to cook for under 5 minutes. So allow it to cook for under 5 minutes again. Let's open and see. Hula, hula, hula. So for you to know that it's well done, so you can just shake it. You can see that. Okay. So let's turn it into a plate. Ooh, and here we are, guys. It's ready to be munched. Yes, I did a great job. Ooh, 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 ooh. Let's cut out a slice. And here we go. Oh, did you see that? This look yummy. Yummy, yummy. So please try this out at home and drop your comments below. Tell me how it all came out. This is so good. Thank you for staying tuned. See you in my next video. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Share the video. If you want me to make any video, please drop it in the comment below. I will surely do that. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.